In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Epson XP 5200 with your Mac computer, and also show you how to print and scan using the Wi-Fi. So let's get started right away. The first step is to actually go on your Epson printer screen, and we need to connect it to the Wi-Fi network. The same Wi-Fi network as your Mac is currently connected to. So let me show you how it's done over here. This is the main screen of your Epson printer. If you do not see it, press the home button. From here on the top right corner, you're going to see the Wi-Fi symbol. Right now we are not connected. This is why they are grayed out. Using these arrows, you can navigate and select them in red and press OK. Now we are in the Wi-Fi settings. So you're going to select the first one, Wi-Fi recommended. Press OK. Press OK once again. And select Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. Wait a few seconds. It will scan for all the Wi-Fi networks that are currently around your printer. Here we go. It has only found one, but maybe in your area you can have multiple Wi-Fi routers of your neighbors. You'll be able to see them down below. In my case, since this is the one I'm seeing and this is mine, I'll press OK. And now it's time to enter the password. Press OK, and use the keyboard and the arrows over here to type your password. If your password has some numbers, you need to select on the lower left side 1, 2, 3, and it will switch the keyboard. At the end, go ahead and select OK and press the OK button. Go down and select Start Setup. Press OK and wait. You're going to get this blue check mark with setup complete, simply confirming that everything is great and the printer is now connected. Then on your Mac, you need to go on the top left corner, click on the Apple logo and select System Settings. From the left side menu, go down and select Printers and Scanners. You're going to have all the connected printer currently on your Mac. And if you go down this page, you should see Add Printer, Scanner or Fax down below. Once you get this screen appearing, you're going to select Epson XP 5200 series. Make sure it's selected in blue. And then press the Add button. You don't have to download any driver or anything. Everything is done automatically at this point. And now the printer has been added with your other printers on your Mac computer. Now let me show you how to print and scan. Actually, let's start scanning. So to scan, you're going to open this lid on the top. You're going to place your paper facing down with the top part towards the right side. And then you're going to notice there is an arrow, a white arrow over here. You simply need to glide the paper so the corner of your paper touches the corner with an arrow. Once this is done, close the lid. And on the Mac, we have to select your printer from this list, Epson XP 5200 series, and select Open Scanner. Then on the left side, you're going to select Epson XP 5200 series. Let me make this screen bigger so you see better. You're going to get a preview. This preview is not saved yet on your Mac computer. So first we have color, if you prefer scanning in color or black and white. We have resolution. If you're scanning text with some graphics, you can leave it at 200 dpi. But if you're scanning pictures or anything with very fine details that you want to keep, select the highest number. 1200 dpi is the highest number over here, and it will take a minute or two to scan since it will have many details. Again, 200 dpi is enough for most of the stuff. Then you have the size of your paper. Where do you want it to the scan to go? So I'll have selected desktop, and you can even give this a custom name. At the end, select in which format you want to scan, JPEG or PDF or the most used one. And at the end, select Scan. Now it will scan and save whatever is over there. Wait a few seconds. If you're scanning at 200 dpi, it will take around 12 seconds to get your scan. Here we go. The scan went on my desktop. Now let me show you how you can print. You simply need to open any documents on your Mac that you wish to print. Let's say I want to print this. I'll simply go under File and select Print. Then select your Epson printer. Make sure the other settings are okay with whatever you're trying to print and press the print button. And here we go. We got our print. So this is about it. This is how you connect, print and scan using your Mac and your Epson XP 5200. Check my Amazon links down below if you want to get some paper or ink compatible with your printer. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.